I'm greeting all the cars all over the world. I'm greeting all people all over the world. May I please pray with you at home today. The prayerful prayer. Tata wana le matla. Modimo le hodimo le lefatshe. Modimo wa dinaha. Ntate wa bohle ba ba mo rapelang. Kajeko motshehare ke a rapela le hodimo ona phitlho ke phamisa satla sena ntate so fileng sona ke leboha nako e o fileng yona ya o phela lefatsheng o nkgotlheletse tsohle diemo tsohle tse ke fetileng ho tsona wa ba le nna mo le batho ba tlohile le bane ke ba tshepile ba tlohile wa ba le nna le hana lo bona le nna motho ha o lahle ha wa hlolele motho lefatsheng o batla a change wa mo kgotlhella le dintho tsohle tse ding le tsohle tsa di entseng tsa diphoso kajeko ke eme altareng ya hao mo mpeileng teng ha e etsiwe thato ya hao yaka yetsiwa lehodimong la mona batho ba hao ke bana tate o ba entse wa ba beha lefatsheng wa ba fa kelello kajeko ke tlo rapela ntate bohle ha ba hlonolofatshe o tseba mathata a bona o tseba mo ba kgathatsehileng ha ba hlonolofatshe ka kereke ena ka thapelo ena ke phamisa matsoho ke bula mesebetsi ke bula mahlohonolo ke bula ho phela ke bula ditoro ke bula botho hodimo ha bophelo ba hao ke yona motho one wa shwanta altare ya teng e tladitswe ditshila metsi a matsho ditlotlwana boloi onkahana kajeko ke romela matla lengelo e lanqabeni kajeko bohle ba le teng le ba ba nshebile lefatshe lohle ha ba hlonolofatshe kajeko ha o bule dintho tsa bona ha o bule mahlohonolo a bona ha o ete bokgana ba phediswe meleng ya bona moya lehodimong moya matla lehodimo la phitlho mollo wa lehodimo naledi ya hosa moya matla sebetsa mo hadi jwale ba shebile hadi jwale moya ha o fula le dibabona moya o phela ba o fula le dibabona ha o le mesebetsi ha o le ditjhelete tsa dikwalehile ha o le lehlonololo okufakwe ekhaya bokentseng ka mohae yaka o shebile ke phamisa matsoho yonke moya yohle ke lwana yona yonke moya yohle shiwa ditlotlwana amanzi amnyama metsi amatsho ipoki babihle ngikhulekela bonke abasemsebenzini
ke rapa le bohle ba le mesebetsing
abaqhawe njengamanje
maqhawane jwale
abaqhawe njengamanje
maqhawane jwale
abaqhawe njengamanje
maqhawane jwale
abaqhawe njengamanje
maqhawane jwale
ngibamba nansi insebenzo
ke sebetso
nansi insebenzo
sebetso ke yena
nansi insebenzo
sebetso ke yena
unkatho lo
ikatho ke yena
alulo lapha emsebenzini
ha enyalo ka mo
lapha ekhaya
tenko hayi
unkatho malulwe
katho hayilwane
alulwe njengamanje
hayilwane jwale
yonke imoya
moya yohle
zonke inyoka
dinotho
zonke ilwane
dipholofolo
yosho
intokoloso hayitsona hayi
ngiyabaphahlaza
ke bathunga
ngiyabaphahlaza
ke bathunga
ngiyabithe
elishonela
amandla wakho ba
mahla hauntata
awehluleki
hafulo
uNkulunkulu
umodimo
wawonke
wabohle
amakhosi abethohlala
dikgose tsohle
ungumfelinqaba
umodimo
usimakade
umodimo
usimakade ngiyabonga
modimo ke a leboga
amen akosise uNkulunkulu
modimo a hlolela lefatshe
Angibikele ey'ndaweni zonke emakhaya ngamakhaya lapho nikhona maqhawe uthi nje asiye ngibukhoma la enqabeni angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nobaba wami kamoya unogwaja kagesi umavula kuvaliwe umenzi wezinto zenzeke sizoba-ke nenkulumo ngxoxo esicela ukuthi niyithamele ngoba ithinta izinto ey'ningi ey'hlukahlukene ozofisa nozothanda futhi ukuzazi nezokulekelela nje kakhulu. Ngizocela ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi esiqale inkulumo ngxoxo yethu ngiyithathe leli thuba ngibingelele ubaba wami kamoya bese ngicela nje futhi nginkulu enhlonipho ngisacela ubaba ukuthi abingelele nje ngasemakhaya.
ngiyathokoza ukuthola ithuba ikakhulukazi ngithokoze kuJehova.
I'm grateful to get an opportunity
nabo bonke abakithi engihamba nabo ababaxhaba
and all my spiritual people that are going with me of the clubbers,
ngoba wonke umuntu ophilayo
because everyone who's living,
kubalekile ukuthi azazi ukuthi angaphili yedwa.
it's important for them to know that they are not alone.
Wonke umuntu kumele asabe ukwenza ihlazo
A person must be scared to do an embarrassment,
nokuhamba kabi.
even to go in an ugly way.
Why? Ngoba kukhona ithunywa ikamoya.
Why? Because there are some ancestors
Wonke umuntu ahamba naso
that people go with,
ithunywa zakho zakini.
your ancestors of your family.
Abanye ziyabelusa ubusuku nemini.
Others, they are guarding them day and night.
Ngabe abasekho emhlabeni.
They wouldn't be here on earth.
Bavikelwa uNkulunkulu.
They are protected by God
Ebavikela ngethunywa.
and also protected by their
Ngiyakholwa
ancestors.
ngibingelela bonke abantu emhlabeni.
I'm happy. I'm greeting all people all over the world.
UNkulunkulu nonke
May God bless you all
ukuhlala nomprofeti.
to be with the prophet.
Amen baba siyabonga kakhulu. Shobadi noNkosi ngifisa nje ukuthi lesibheke la ukuthi yini mhlambe engabazithiyo emndenini ngoba siyasibona ukuthi imindeni eminingi inakho ukuyoguqa emsamo kuNkulunkulu emathongeni kodwa uthola ukuthi kunophazamiseka lokhu ebekugoqela ayitholi ngabe mhlambe ukungaboni ngasolinye kwemindeni noma ingxabano zemindeni kungayiphazamisa kanjani ukuthi ingaphumeleli imindeni noma ingayitholi lento esuke iyifuna.
Ngibonga umbuzo obuzayo.
I'm grateful for the question that you are asking.
Ikakhulukazi into kumele iphile emthweni iqiniso.
The thing that needs to live in a person is the truth.
Nasekhaya futhi emndenini kumele kuphile abantu abakhona phakathi kwifamily kumele babe leqiniso.
Even the people in the family homestead, they must be truthful.
Nasebandleni futhi emasontweni abantu abakhonza uNkulunkulu kumele babe leqiniso bangabi amaxoki.
Even people in churches must also be truthful. There mustn't be lies.
Ngokunjalo futhi egcekeni ngoba igceke lungumsamo.
Even at home as well, because the home is an altar as well.
Umuzi mawakhi
When a home is built,
kunethunywa ezogada ubusuku nemini.
there are some ancestors that are guarding it day and night,
Esibona yonke into.
that see everything.
Ngakho kumele ukuthi kube khona iqiniso nokuzwana emndenini.
They must be truthful in the family and getting along with each other in the family.
Lokho okungazwani kwemndeni kuphazamisa isibusiso ekhaya.
The thing of not getting along in the family, it disturbs everything.
Angiphinde futhi.
Let me repeat.
Okungazwani ekhaya kwengane zesisesodwa nokhalo olulodwa kwenza ukuthi isibusiso singabikho egcekeni.
For people in the same family not getting along, it makes a curse.
Ngibuza ngibuye futhi
I must come back here.
ngikhuluma ngecele
I'm speaking about a family state.
ngibuye wasemsamo futhi wasezulwini
I must also come back to the altar of heaven.
emasontweni
In churches.
uma abantu
When people
abakhonza uNkulunkulu
that go to God
bengazwani
without getting along,
kunengxabano ebandleni
there are some fightings in churches.
akulula futhi ukuthi bakuseke
It's not easy for them to get blessed
ngoba nebandla lineyingelosi
because the congregation also has angels.
uma abazalwane
When the congregation,
noma amaqhawe
whether the cowards,
uxhaxana
they are fighting,
iy'ngelosi ziyaflathela
the angels will turn back.
kodwa into edala iy'ngxabano
The thing that makes us fight
ukulahleka kweqiniso
is when the truth is lost.
ngokwebhayibheli
From the Bible,
uthi ujesu
Jesus says,
nangekho
I was not there.
uthi niyakulazi iqiniso
You will know the truth,
iqiniso lokuNkulunkulu
for the truth will relieve you.
ngakho kufuneka ukuthi uma niya emsamo
When you go to the altar
egcekeni ekhaya
in the family homestead,
nithatha imbuzi
when you take a goat,
abekhona inhlambuluko
there must be a cleansing
first
first.
nomuntu futhi ngokunjalo ebandleni
Even a person in a congregation must be like that.
uma engena ngomnyango
When you enter the door,
makunomuntu angazwani naye ngaphakathi
if there's no one that you're getting along with inside,
kumele ahlambuluke kuqala
you must cleanse first.
lento eyenziwa abantu yokupretenda emsamo
This thing that is done by people to pretend by the altar,
umndeni uguqe wonke
the family needs all.
ukhulunywe kushiswa impetho
The essence are burnt and they speak.
kodwa kufumaniseka ukuthi abazwani laba bantu
You'll find out that they don't get along with these people.
ukupretenda
They are pretending.
mayeqeda lapho kushisa impepho
After burning the incense,
umuntu uyaphuma uhleka ngomunye
another one goes out and gossips about another.
and lo muntu oshisa impepho
The person who's burning the incense,
ake ngitshela abantu
let me tell people,
ake ngitshele
let me tell you,
nasi sabo
here is a vision.
umuntu oshisa impepho ekhaya
When a person burns an incense at home,
uyafana nomgcotsho
is the same as a priest,
uyafana nomprofeti
is the same as the prophet,
ngoba uphethe iy'mpilo zabantu
because he has the lives of people in his hands.
uyena oshisela abantu impepho obacelela
He's the
iy'busiso
one who burns the essence and asks for blessings
lapha abantu bala ekhaya
for the people at home.
one kumele aphile enhliziyweni
One, he must live within his heart.
aphilele wonke umuntu
He must live for everyone.
njengoba nje mina ngiyila encabeni
As I am here in Qabeni,
ngithanda bonke abantu
I love all people.
anginazi isitha
I don't have an enemy.
ngoba uma nginesitha la
When I have an enemy here,
sizobuseka kanjani phela
how is the enemy going to be
ngoba
blessed?
siyacelelwa yini
Because I'm the one who's asking for blessings for them.
one
Anyway,
akuphili umuntu oshisa impepho
the person who burns the essence must live.
ungashiseli abantu impepho unenhliziyo embi
Don't burn the essence when your heart is ugly.
two
Yabobedi.
nalaba abashiselwa impepho
And those who have been burnt the essence for,
mabaphilele lo muntu obashisele impepho
they must also live for the person who's burning the essence for them.
ningasho ukuthi sesiyenza nje
Don't just say we are just doing it
ngoba angekho ozoshisa impepho
because there's no one who's going to burn the
ningakwenzi
essence.
ngcono
Don't do it at all.
ngoba ukwenza nje akasebenzi
If you just do it like that, it's not going to work out.
ukwenza nje
Just to do it like that,
usebenza ukwenza
it's the way you do it.
ukwenza nje
Just to do it like that, I'm just doing it.
yenza
Do it
phambi kaNkulunkulu
before God,
naphambi kwabathombe
in front of your ancestors.
ngebehlaba ukupretendana emsamo
Stop pretending it by the altar.
iy'ngxabano zemndeni
The family fights
zihluphakani
are very troubling
ngoba zivala inhlanhla ekhaya
because they close the arches.
kunabantu abadla inyama ogqono olulodwa
There are some people who eat the meat from the
kodwa
same plate.
iy'nhliziyo zabo
Their hearts
zihlukane
are separate.
noma imbuzi
Even a goat
noma inkomo
or a cow
ingakhuluphana kanjani
can be as fat as
idule
however,
kanjani
can be as big as however.
ma uya emsamo
When you go to the altar,
uya kubantu abadala,
You go to your old people.
uya kumathonga,
You go to your
abone
ancestors.
inhliziyo zenu.
They see your hearts.
Ma uza enkonzweni,
When you come to church,
akanamsebenzi uNkulunkulu
God doesn't care
ukuthi ugqoke isudi enjani,
what kind of suit you
noma
wear,
impahla enjani.
whether your clothes.
Kodwa into okumele iphile
The thing that must live,
inhliziyo yakho.
your heart.
Yikho ngithi mina
That's why I say,
isikhathi esiningi,
many times
ma-Afrika,
many times Africans,
isibusiso sivinjwa yithi.
the blessings is blocked by us.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma nawo wonke umuntu
I want to speak to all people,
ukuthi abantu
that people,
mabazwane,
may you get along.
bazwane emsamo.
You must get along at the altar. You must get along with churches.
Isibusiso.
They must so that they get blessings.
Ayihleli kuyintokozo njalo ukuzwa iqiniso linjalo baba. Prophet sizwile ukuthi lapana eThekwini ngomhla ka-29 August ngoLesihlanu ntambama ngo-7 uzokwenza inkonzo i-whole night prayer eyozingene laphana Saturday ngo-7 ekuseni. Mhlambe baba ngifisa ukuzwa nje ukuthi kumuntu waseThekwini njengoba le nkonzo kuzobe kuyinkonzo yokukhushula kwesidalwa somuntu nenkonzo yokukhanyisa kwamakhandlela. Le nkonzo isho ukuthini kumaqhawe aseThekwini, amaqhawe aseGoli nasezweni lonke jikelele, nakumuntu nje ongelona iqhawe? Ngakube le nkonzo baba isho ukuthini?
Nishoda ngesihlabelelo
Missing a hymn,
uma sikhona,
if it's there,
asondele eduzane.
may it come closer to me.
Kukhona izwi
There is a word of my
khona
Father.
izwi
There is a word
elokuyisihlabelelo sikababa ongizalayo
that is a hymn of the Father who gave birth to me
ngokamoya,
spiritually,
inkosi yamaNazaretha,
the Lord of the Nazarites,
lapha engizalwa khona,
where I'm born.
lapha ebuhleni
Kobuhle.
ngabusiswa khona.
I was blessed there.
Lithi lelizwi
The word says,
ngokuba uJehova uyabahambela abantu bakhe ekulaleni kwabo.
for God goes to his people as they are asleep.
Uboyiphatha kahle indlu
You must take
olala
care
kuyo,
of the house that you sleep in,
ukuze uNkulunkulu wakho angacasuki ukuza kuwe ngephupho.
so that God does not come to you angry in a dream.
Njengoba ngizobe ngiseThekwini,
As I'm going to be in Durban,
ngizokwenza inkonzo yokukhushulwa kwesidalwa
I'm
somuntu.
going to do a service to raise your ancestors up.
Kunabantu abangasahaji ebusuku,
There are some people who don't get visited at night.
babelele abaphuphi.
When they're sleeping, they don't dream anymore.
Is wrong.
Apostle.
Mawulele ebusuku,
When you are sleeping at night,
izidalwa
your ancestors,
kumele zikuvakashele,
they must visit you.
kumele ube nephupho.
You must have a dream.
Why?
Holy.
Akekho oke wabona uNkulunkulu.
No one has seen God.
Angiphinde futhi.
Let me repeat.
No one.
Hayo.
Akekho emhlabeni oke wabona uNkulunkulu.
No one on earth has seen God.
Kodwa uNkulunkulu unezithunywa zakhe.
But God has his angels.
Unezilosi
He's got angels.
zakhe kamoya.
His own angels spiritually
Engazange iphile ngokwenyama.
that have never lived in flesh.
Nalabo futhi asebahamba emhlabeni
Even those that have passed on earth,
abaphile emndenini yethu.
that lived in our families before,
Babehambe kahle.
when they go well,
Bangena ezweni likamoya.
they enter the heavens.
Kwelamathonga.
In our ancestors'
Kumele
realms.
babuye
They must come back
bazoba izithunywa
so that they become angels
zokukhanya ekhaya.
to shine up at home.
Ngakho ke inkonzo
This is a service. It's a big service that I'm going to do.
njengoba nje ubona abantu la ekhaya,
As you see people here at home,
abantu bayabusiseka,
people are being blessed.
bathola imoto,
They find cars.
bathola imisebenzi.
They get jobs.
Yingoba
It's because
ukukhushulwa kwesidalwa
when an ancestor is risen up,
akwenziwa noma ubani.
it doesn't do, no one will just do that.
Mina ngisebenza ngobizo.
I work in a calling.
Lento engiyenza la angiyifunde
The
la.
thing that I'm doing here, I didn't study for it.
Angibuyi eBible school.
I'm not from a Bible school.
Lapha
There,
ngomhla ka-29
on the 29th
zika-Agasti,
of August,
ngifuna bonke abantu baseThekwini
I want all people in Durban and surroundings.
ngizobe ngilapha e-ofisini
I'm going to be at the office.
iyongena inkonzo ngo-6 ntambama
The service will start at 6 late.
iziphume ngo-6 futhi ekuseni
It will come out 6 o'clock in the
noma
morning,
mhlawumbe iyophuma ngo-7.
or whether 7 o'clock.
ngifuna ukuthi ungiphathele indwangu emhlophe
I want you to bring a white cloth,
u-1 meter wendwangu
1 meter cloth.
ngifuna ungiphathele ama-5 rand amhlophe awu-4
I need you to bring five rands
amele izidalwa zakho
that are going to be there for your
ngifuna
ancestors.
ungiphathele imbewu yakho ka-200 rand
You must have a seed of 200 rand
yokuzokhonga iy'dalwa zakho
so that you can call your ancestors.
ngifuna uphume ungahlali
I want you to come. Don't sit
lapho ekhaya
there at home.
lalela
Listen.
abantu baze bahambe bayothwala
People just go there and carry evil spirits.
isithwalo
The evil spirits.
asihlangani nethomo
It's not mixed up with an
umuntu oyothwala
a person who goes and carry bad spirits.
usulekane isilwane esithile
He just goes there and fetches an animal,
noma ngaba isnake
whether it's a snake.
asikhulumela amaqiniso
Let's speak the truth as we are here.
asikho isithwalo esihlangana
There is
nethomo
no bad spirit that mixed up with
noma idlozi
whether an ancestor.
mawulanda isithwalo
When you go for a bad spirit,
ulanda inunu
you fetch an animal
ezosala ihluphe futhi
that is going to stay there and worry.
manje le nkonzo yokukhushula kwesidaba
This service to raise up your
ngifuna
ancestors.
abantu baseThekwini
I want people in Durban.
angizanga le uzoyiphakamisa
I'm not there to put myself up.
kodwa ngena kwipheji likaprofethi
Go to the page of the prophet
uzobona abantu bebonga imoto
so that you can see how grateful
athi
people
umuntu
are.
ungafika ngozimu
I came here with nothing.
ngizobe ngilaleyo nkonzo
I'll have that service
yokuvula amaphupho
to open up your dreams.
ngifuna umfundisi
I want a priest.
awubheke umfundisi ohamba ngebhayisikili
I see a priest, you are riding a bicycle.
icebo kathixo kumele ihambe ngebhayisikili
A person of God mustn't ride a bicycle.
kumele ngigibele izinto ey'njengalezi
You must just have big cars
okukhomba ukuthi uthuliwe
to show that you are being sent.
nawe usebenza abantu
Even you are working with people.
awubheka usaprofethi
You
noprofethi
can't prophet anymore.
ngithi mina woza
I'm saying
ka-29
on the 29th.
iyongena ubusuku bonke sebenza
Someone.
sebenza mos
Sebenza someone.
aphila abantu
Habapera.
ngithi mina khama
I'm saying Ita.
ngifuna wena ozokukhona
The one who's going to be there.
usilungiselele
Prepare yourself
ubusuku bonke
the whole night.
ngifuna abagulayo
I want those who are sick.
ngifuna uphathe umhlabathi wasekhaya
I want you to bring the soil from
ngifuna
home.
uphathe umkhuba wasekhaya
I want you to bring the soil from the
ngifuna
farm.
uphathe ingane yakhe edala utshwala
Bring your child that is
ehlala
alcoholic,
ey'potini
that stays in taverns.
uphathe ijuice
Bring juice.
uphathe iy'mpahla zayo
Bring their clothes.
ngifuna umuntu odla ama-drugs
I want a person who's taking drugs.
uphathe impahla
Bring the clothes.
ngithi phathe umquba wey'nkomo zakho
Bring your crown soil.
phathe umhlabathi wasekhaya
Bring your soil from
phathe
home.
ama-CV
Bring your seeds.
phathe abantwana abagulayo
Bring your children that are
engane
sick.
ephethwe imoto
You've got children who are
ngifuna
sick.
ukuthi uyiphathe
I want you to bring
zonke zenzeke eDurban
things will be happening in Durban.
umprofethi wabantu
The prophet of people
usethelile
is going to be there in Durban.
ngizobe ngilapha e-ofisini
I'm going to be there at the
ngizobe
office.
ngilapha e-ofisini
I'm going to be at the office
umhla ka-29 Agasti
on the 29th of August.
mabaphuma abantu bomphambili
May people come out
mabaphuma
and
abantu emgomodlozi
go with Joe.
mabaphuma abantu e-Eastern Cape
People in Eastern Cape.
ngizobe ngibeka abantu izandla
I'm going to be putting hands on
ngizobe ngibeka
people.
abantu
I'm
izandla
going to be putting hands on people.
nginensebenzo ekhona
I've got a material
engisebenza ngayo
that I'm working with.
engizokubeka ngayo
And
izandla
I'm going to put hands on you.
Amen. Siyabonga. Sinokubona nabasho bathi bakumprofeti enqabeni kufika abantu besuka endaweni eziningi ezihlukahlukene khona basuka koMozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana, eSwatini, Lesotho, Eastern Cape ukubana nje ezimbalwa. Maduze nje sibonile kunomama osuka eMpumalanga esho ukuthi ukuze afike la uye waphupha iphupho laze lamolela ekutheni ifike la enqabeni imangaliso ezenzakalayo ngakubeka uprofeti ukuphupha kubaluleke ngani mhlawumbe futhi uma usuliphuphile iphupho kubaluleke ngani ukuthi ungalikhohlwa
one uqinisile
Firstly, it's truth.
kukhona umama waseMpumalanga
There's a woman from Pumalanga
owashonelwa indodana yakhe
Her son was deceased,
engenawo umuzi
didn't have a house
la eGoli
here in Johannesburg.
wayengcwaba la eGoli
She buried the child here in Johannesburg
ngoba umuzi engenawo
because she didn't have a house.
engenandawo futhi
She didn't have a place to
washiya
stay.
kanjalo
She left it like that.
umelele eMpumalanga
When she's sleeping in Mpumalanga,
iyabuya indodana
the son comes back.
yena engcwabile ekulaleni kwakhe
The one who's deceased,
ithi mama
mother,
ngicela ukuthi ungilande
may you please fetch me.
la ngikhona ngihlezi kahle
Where I am, I'm not okay.
ngifuna ukuya ekhaya
I want to go home.
isithi mama
And then he says, mother,
ngicela ukuthi uhambe uye kumprofethi
may you please go to the prophet club
afika kubusise
so that he blesses you.
uyena ozokunikeza indlela
He's the one who's going to give you a way
uzomphefumulo wami
so that my breath
uzofika ekhaya
must go home.
angiphinde
Let me repeat.
kukhona laba bantu abafela empini
There are some people that died in wars.
khona abantu abafela emajele
There are some people who died in prison.
khona abantu abamuka nemfula
There are some people who died in rivers.
kunalaba bantu abathwetshulwayo
There are some people that would read as
enathi
from
bangcwaba kanti abafika
you think you have buried them, but you haven't.
namanje basetshenziswa
Even now they are used.
lo mama usuka eMpumalanga
This woman is from Mpumalanga.
ngizwa kahle lapha ekhaya
Listen to me carefully at
kumele
home.
ukuthi ulalele kahle
May you please listen carefully.
uNkulunkulu wakho
Your God,
makakuphe ingqondo
may He give you mind,
akuphe inhliziyo
give you a heart,
akwenze futhi uyekele lokhu kuyitshela ungenalo
must make you not to tell yourself.
impilo iyaphakanyela
The life, you must stand up for it.
njengoba uhlezi nje
As you are sitting
bazothi
there,
abantu mabephumelela
when people are successful,
bese ukuthi abantu bathwele
you are going to say they are carrying evil spirit
uzomona
because you will be having jealousy.
woza
Come,
naku sithunyiwe
here we are sent.
angiphakamisi
I'm not praising myself.
ngikhuluma ngemisebenzi
I'm speaking about my works
uNkulunkulu ayenza ngami
that He does with
uyabona
me.
abantu bayabona
You see, people are grateful.
ubani umfundisi
Which priest
okenze wathelelwa imoto
was brought a
Now,
car? Here's Dr. X.
ekhaya nefridge ubonile ukhaba
At home,
ifridge
I have
ekhaya
a
babonile abantu
refrigerator. People have seen
ifridge yama-1000
refrigerator of thousands.
e-ofisini lapha eThekwini
My office at Dover,
ifurniture ngizange ngithenge
I didn't
yama-1000
buy the furniture.
ithengwe umuntu ofike uzero
A
la
person bought it who came with nothing here.
namhlanje unomuzi
Today he's got a house.
namhlanje unogandaganda uyalima ekhaya
He's got a tractor at home.
ngamthatha ngamnikeza umsebenzi eNigeria
I gave him a job in Nigeria.
kunabantu enginabo la
I've got people that I have in here
bathathe ngabasaphesheya kwelwandle
that I took them overseas
ngingafundanga
without me being educated.
ayifundelwa phela lento
This thing, you don't study for it.
angini nomfundisi weBible school
I'm not fighting with a priest from a
kodwa
Bible
ngini
school.
ungangifundisi nomfundisi
But don't compare me to a priest from a Bible school.
ngisebenza ngobisi
I work in the calling.
lo mama ufikile
This woman came.
kufike isibonakaliso
A vision came.
kumele wonke umuntu abe nesibonakaliso
A person must have a vision.
ma ungasaphuphi ebusuku
When you don't dream at night anymore,
something wrong
hold on a pause.
kumele uphuphe
You must dream.
iphupho likhumbule
You must remember your dream.
abaphuma abantu
May all people come
uningi
out.
babo lapha eThekwini
Many of them in Durban.
ngizobe ngithandazela
I'll be praying for
usuku bonke
the whole night.
kuzobe khona amakhwaya
There will be choirs as well.
ala enqabeni
From
azobonisa
Ekwaben,
abantu
they will be blessing people.
Hayi ziyenzeka ngempela. Baba siyabona abantu bayafika bayabonga la enqabeni babonga iy'moto ukufakazela lokho njalo mhlawumbe lesine umgqibelo yisonto kuhlala kusisa nje iy'moto ezintsha nangesonto sibonile ubaba umprofethi ebusisa iy'moto ezimbili ezintsha ceke ngabe lokho kusho ukuthini baba umprofethi
kusho ukuthi
It means
iyaphila lento
this thing is living.
ukhona umuntu oke athi hayi
There's a person who can say,
uma kuthathwa imbuzi bewinsana idliwa ubani
When you take a goat to the altar, who's going to eat the goat? Where are these people? Let me tell you. You, the clever one on earth. That's why you're suffering. Because you have lost your roots. A tree. You see a tree. When a tree grows, it grows up and becomes green. We'll take out the fruits. You can see a tree. You don't know what is making this tree to stand. It's got roots, but it's standing. The thing that is making the tree to stand, you don't see it with your naked eyes. As it is, I am a creator. There are some people that you don't see. They make me what I am. I don't miss anything today. I've got cars here. Here's a Mercedes here. There's another one. Even my wife has her own car. Where do I get those? It's because my roots, my ancestors. That's why you see people are grateful for cars. They're grateful with money. Let me repeat. You see another man who was grateful for 57,000 that was deposited into an account by being here. Others, they have lottery. They come to the one-on-ones. The secret is the root. When the roots are bad at home, people won't succeed. When we speak about the altar, not because we are praying to somebody who's not here.
It's wrong.
I'm praying to God.
I'm called to God.
I'm not praying to my grandmother. You can't say to my people because they are gone. They are demons. When we speak of the Bible, all those people who are in the Bible, they are not here on earth anymore. Why are we told not to speak about our ones? Why can't we do that the same with the ones in the Bible? Is there anyone living in the Bible? Why do we speak about them? Why can't we speak about our fathers?
Matthew 17 verse 1.
Matthew 17 verse 1. Jesus went up the mountain to pray. Moses and Elias appeared. They already died. Speaking to them.
Moses and Elijah is the Old Testament.
Moshe and Elisha give testament to how. Jesus
is a New Testament.
But when Jesus prayed in the mountain, his ancestors showed up. People who are not here. Moses
and
Elisha. And you are told not to speak to your people. That's what I'm going to open up on the 29th of August. I'm not hiding. I praise people up. People get jobs. People are grateful. People give me money. I won't hide the truth. Amen. Babuprofeti siyabona la abantu enqabeni bayafika umuntu ufika engenalutho efike efundile enetifiketi engasebenzi efike egula omunye efike ethi mina bengiphuze utshwala kodwa babuprofeti
wangithandazela angisaphuzi omunye ethi ngafika ngifundile ngingasebenzi maketha ngaplaya kodwa ngingabizwa wangithandazela bakumprofeti sengiyasebenza akugcini lapho abanye basemazweni ase-Afrika abanye basemazweni aphesheya bakhona bako-China, Italy ukubala nje abambalwa. Ngabe mhlambe lokho kusho ukuthini ubaba mangabe ephilisa abantu befika bengelutho kodwa ekugcineni begcina sebebonga sebesindile ey'feni abafike begula sebeyasebenza abangasebenzi? Ngabe kusho ukuthini baba?
Umbonile umfana obezobonga.
Did you see the guy who came who was grateful?
Ukhona ngizombona.
You see.
Uthi lo mfana bengiphuza ngendlela esimanga.
This guy said, I used to drink a lot.
Ufika nonina.
Came with a mother.
Uthi baba ngafika la kuwena.
Father, I came to you.
Wafika wangibeka isandla waqalekisa ngawa phansi.
You just put a hand on me and I fell down.
Uthi baba kade ngithi mangithola imali.
Father, when I got money,
into yokuqala ibhodlela.
the first thing I did was drinking.
Is a curse.
Isebe.
Isiqalekiso.
Curse.
And isikhathi esiningi
in many times
uphuzo oludakayo.
This alcohol
alinayo impumelelo.
doesn't have success.
Yebo ngiya-understand.
I understand.
Kunabantu abaphuza.
There are some people who drink.
Kanti khona abantu ababephuza emndenini.
Because there were some people who used to drink before the Now these people, the spirits are working for them. Another one wants to leave alcohol, but they can't leave it. Here's a guy who came to be grateful. Father, I'm grateful. I don't drink alcohol. After putting a hand on me, I fell down. I never drank alcohol anymore. This person
is a spirit.
It's a spirit that was living on him. There's something that you can do. It was done by a certain spirit. As you've seen people blessing people, people are grateful for cars. Brand new cars on Sunday, just outside. Another one came last month to the one-on-ones. I came and I blessed him. When he got to work, they bought him a brand new van. You saw him outside. You saw him be grateful.
But in the school,
in English,
all things are possible in God.
All things are possible. I want a person. Don't stay there because you're going to end up here. You are praising yourself up. You are going to carry evil spirits. Carry bad spirits, you're going to die. When you go and carry bad spirits, you are identifying your I must speak the truth as it is. When you go and carry evil spirits, it's like all these things. It depends how you do your things at all. When you go and ask the traditional why are you doing those things? That home is guarded by the exorcist. And even a thing that is as I'm holding this, do you see God?
Clear is prophet.
This is a clear prophet. This one is a stone. There is no animal.
So
it will be found in Durban. 600 rand. There are some things that are there. For right now at home. Here's the stone. Stop fetching animals and put them at home. Here's the spiritual God. This isn't God. It's going to be there. For right now. Don't sit down. When you are found, whether you can for right now, so that you can get the spiritual soul. The one who's going to destroy the home. Going back to the sender. Nezwela nani maqhawe ezulu endaweni zonke lapho ngibelane khona. Singakayiphethi inkulumo ngxoxo yethu ngizocela ke ukuthatha leli thuba ngikukhumbuze ukuthi lapho eThekwini umprofeti mhla ka-29 August kuyona le ephezulu kube kulesihlanu inkonzo yoqala ngo-6 ntambama bathi ke i-whole night prayer yoziphume ngomgqibelo ekuseni ngo-6 noma ngabo-7 mhlawumbe i-ofisi uyayibuza ukuthi nikuphi nilaphana opposite i-Durban station uMngeni Road eMngeni Center office number 32 second floor duze nempumelelo security nesibongomusa security angeke uduke qhawe ungakhohlwa ikhandlela uyalithola ngo-50 rand sibusisiwe insebenzo ziyobe zikhona zitholakala ama-1-on-1 umprofeti uyobe ewenza khona lapha eThekwini uyobe usizakala ungakhohlwa qhawe uma ufisa ukulandela inkundla zokuxhumana zaseQhabeni uyangena lapha ku-TikTok ubhale nje useshe ubhale uDr Uphelele uzothi Dr Prophet Xaba Dr Prophet Xaba uzobona ke ipage lapha enabantu abawu-24,000 kuya phezulu uFacebook uzongena nakhona futhi useshe ubhale uDr Ogcwele uzothi Dr X Enqabeni Ministries amaqhawe Dr X Enqabeni Ministries amaqhawe uzobona ke ipage elinabantu ababo-47,000 kuya phezulu bese lapha ku YouTube channel ngenzeka inkonzo edlala TV awuyiboni mhlambe ngenxa yamatoho kodwa ifoni nedatha unakho uzokwazi ukuthi uyibone uzosesha ubhale uDr Uphelele uthi Dr X Logwaja kaGesi Dr X Logwaja kaGesi sicela ukuthi ufike usubscribe uzokwazi ukubona uma kufakwa izinkonzo ungakhohlwa qhawe umprofeti uDr X Logwaja kaGesi mavula kuvaliwe eGoli umthola eJolini Fontaine ngasenkomeni taxi rank umthola njalo ngoLesine Thursdays nangesonto Sundays bese lapha eThekwini uMngeni Road lapha eMngeni Center umthola njalo ngomgqibelo Saturdays kuyoze kube kuyashiwo ukuthi eGoli uzomthola nini ngomgqibelo okwamanje umthola ngomgqibelo eThekwini bese lapha eGoli umthola ngoLesine nangesonto iwona amalanga ke okwazi ukuthi umthole ngawo umprofeti nami ke sengithatha ingabo ngibuyisela kubaba womkamoya.
Ngiyabonga.
I'm grateful. On the 29th, let us meet. It's a service to create your creators, to burn up the candles. You'll find the candles be blessed. Bring your seed of 200 rand. You bring your 4 or 5 rands. You have parking on the 29th. On the 29th. May all people come. Devil and surroundings. Greetings at home. Fryhead. Mondlo. Vunzini. We are born under the king. Under the king of the greetings at home. I love you all. May God bless you all. Even you at home. May God be with you. Be with us right now.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Salahandri. Even you all that are here,
uNkulunkulu aniphe izibusiso
may God give you blessings.
thina enikhona namhlanje
The one that you are here today,
aniphe ukuba munye
so that gives you one spirit
aniphe ukuzwana
to get along.
aniphe impumelelo
May He give you success.
nani lapho emakhaya
Even you at home,
uNkulunkulu makanibusise
may God bless you.
umusa wakhe
May His mercy,
mawehlele phekwini
may it come upon you.
umusa kaJehova
The mercy of Jehovah,
nothando lwakhe
even His love,
angithanda ngalo
the one He loved me with,
akangithande
may He also love you.
bheka ubaba ungithanda kwakhe
See how the Father loves me,
angivuse ekufeni
resurrected me from death.
abantu besebeqedile
When people say they are done
ngoDr X
with Dr. X,
athi uNkulunkulu
God said,
angakaqedi
I'm not finished
ukumsebenzisa
to use Him.
ngeke ngiqede ngaye
I won't finish with Him.
ngizokhuluma nawe
I'm going to speak to you.
ukuthi abathakathi
The witches,
abakaqedi
they haven't finished.
yekela abakuzondayo
Leave the ones that hate you,
abakudlela umona
even the ones that are jealous of you.
ungamanaki
Don't look after them.
hamba ngohambo lakho
Go in your journey.
ngiyabonga nonke
I'm grateful all
lapho emakhaya
there at home,
nanonke balandeli bami
even those all my followers,
konke kungixhasa kwenu
the way you are supporting me
ngokubuka nohlelo
by
lukaprofethi
watching the Prophet's program,
nokungena kuFacebook kaMprofethi
to go into the Prophet's Facebook page.
ngiyathandazisa nonke
I'm praying for you all.
ngiyabona lapha eThekwini
I see you in Durban.
ngiyabona eMpumalanga
I see you in Mpumalanga.
ngiyabona
I see you
lapha eSwaziland
there in Swaziland.
ngiyabona eZimbabwe
I see you in
ngiyabona
Zimbabwe.
eNigeria
I see you in Nigeria.
ngiyabona eNorthwest
I see you in Northwest.
ngiyabona eFree State
I see you Free State.
ngiyabona eLimpopo
I see you Limpopo.
ngiyabona Gauteng
I see you Gauteng.
ngiyabona Pretoria
I see you Pretoria.
ngiyabona Soweto
I see you Soweto.
ngiyabona eSpruit
I see you Spring.
ngiyabona eSprings
I see you in Springs.
ngiyabona eGP
I see you GP.
ngiyabona Maboneni
I see you Maboneng.
ngiyabona eHillbrow
I see you Hillbrow.
ngiyabona lapha eOrlando
I see you Orlando.
ngiyabona lapho
I also see you.
ngiyabona lapho
I see you.
ngingahlala lapha eOrlando
I stay in
ngiyabona
Orlando.
lapho
I'm grateful.
ngiyabona lapha ekhaya emfundzini
I see you Mfunzini.
ngithola kahle ngiyabona
So,
eMondle ekhaya
I see you at
ngiyabona
home. I
eVryheid
see you Friday.
ngiyabona eNquthu
I see you Kutu.
ngiyabona eMakhanda
I see you Makaya.
ngiyabona kwaGrace
I see you Grace.
ngiyabona eDolweni
I see you Dolweni.
ngiyabona kwaSi
I see you Kwasi.
eMondlo
Mondlo.
ngiyabona kwaA
I see you
ngiyabona
Kwasi.
kwaB
I see you B.
onke ama-prophets
All the provinces.
inkosi mayibusise
May God bless you.
masidibane khona
Let us meet there
umhla ka-9
on the 9th.
alama
I'm
1-on-1
starting the one
Lapho
on
eDurban.
there in Durban.
fona njengamanje
Phone right now.
bukha njengamanje
Book right now.
ngiyabonga
I'm grateful.
uNkulunkulu anibusise
May God bless you
God
all.
bless you bye bye